Hello friends, my name is Carlos. I'm from myweb.es, and in today's video we are going to talk about global element widgets. How could you define what a global widget is? A global widget is a widget that we take. We customize it. Okay? And once saved as global, we can insert it anywhere on our page where we need it. And apart from that, if we edit the widget settings, those settings are then applied to the parts that we have inserted the global widget. Okay, to understand better. For example, I come here to this page of mine, okay, and I'm going to look for the network widget. Social icons, okay, for example, I take the social icons, which, and then a couple of other elements in the WordPress itself. And the next one is going to be Spotify, and I insert it. And now to save it as a global widget, I come here and tell it to save as global. I give it a name. We are going to put new buttons on it. From social networks, okay, and I keep them. Now I preview the page, okay. Well, wait here, I have to update, okay. And now it appears to us. And then if we now go to any other page, now I am going to update it so that the widget loads. Okay, let's go down here and put the widget here next to the widgets. We will see that the global tab appears. Okay. So here we will see the global widget that we have created. If I insert it, it will appear with the same customization that we have as when we have defined the global widget. If now, for example, I want to edit it, I come here to edit, and I'm going to change the official color. For one personalized, I'm going to give you red, okay? If now, when I update, these changes are applied to all the pages where we had added the global widget, that is, I now update, okay, and here when I update, now the red widgets will appear, okay? So apart from that, what can we do if, for example, on this page, on this single page, we want to customize the colors in a different way. We are going to delete this widget from the global widget. To do this, we give here a link, okay, we accept, and now it is no longer there. This widget is no longer defined as a global widget, so if I customize it to my liking, it is valid, and I update here if I preview it. The blue icons will appear, but instead on this other page, since it is a global widget, they will continue to appear red, okay? Well, I have already explained how to create global widgets and their functionalities, but if you liked the video I uploaded, help. If so, remember to like it, subscribe to the channel that goes to La Campanita to receive notifications of future videos. We see doubts and questions in the comments in future videos. See you later.